Tiefo nda me na say uko Facebook, uko Twitter, adeɛ baako bi trendy at number 1. Na justice for Ruth Eshien. Justice for Ruth Eshien. We be ka say Ruth Eshien ono nso ene hwan. Adan ena nkrofo ka say yema Ruth Eshien ni justice. Answer ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no. Eno ena da screen so sisia no. We ya na say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka quickly yan konsem ni mu. Okay, so Ruth Eshien, from what I have actually gathered, and Emeka say from the little investigation I've done, no, Nidiankasa Ruth Ama Eshien, that's her full name. Now, Ruth Eshien is part of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. Not just say we nurse ni Ghana. They say and they say we registered community health nurse. Now on 3rd of February. Which is somewhere around last week. They see here and they say, you see, in Bema be an anchrophobia at channel at Tunemona Wamotuna ye and a Wamukune Yaya on 3rd February 2020 at a room. Nasa a Yumi, you say a Bosom Trade District, a Asante region. Iti Wamu Repino and a Wamukuno. Now, answer na wobe no Ruth Eshien ni yesi wo yobia na wo very very hard working. Uyobia wawo miensa enso. She's a hard working nurse. Woye adwuma ewo Siwa Health Center in the Bosomtwe district. Nti asem we esi ye no de enti Ghana for efre for justice for Ruth Eshien ne say yesi aposifo a ewo say asem we wo mu hwehwemu na wo mo che wo mu asede wo mu di sa nyambransem no as a police for no wo mu yomo say fi asem ne so. They are not doing anything as far as the people in her community and those who actually know her are saying. Woman say as a police for AU woman sa if you asem ne so a woman pese woman be yen hwehwemu na woman ache the perpetrators of this act. Eya reho sementi and me dey work say the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. Not to say the whole Ghana association na ehwe a nurse for any midwife for no woman e the communicate about bonten. Womo de nkrata ababonten a they are calling on the health minister and Ghana police omo free IGP nankasa say hey we dear mo ambe mo a ebe ha yen because the obodi ye Ruth Eshien no eyade a enye oyobi a wo bone homoden won say eya nurses ni we bi say ewusa na mostly you don't get the association say wo meba abonten abekasa. It is a way a babonte and no more babonte akasa the whole association, the head and kasa, the whole Ghana and nurses for association, a babonte abekasa no. And was so who say, Assembly Assembia, a drum with him na ayomo yanso. Now, when we communicate now, when they are babonte no ewa, but a lot of people are speaking on this. Until I'll bring you what people are saying. I'll go on to Twitter and so now share the Ghana phone so air because senior meeting country or no it's actually trending at number 1. Justice for Ruth Eshien trending at number 1. Nipa bako abono so akasa ewo this dastard act so Kwame A+. One also the asema ba bonten say womu di sa nyambransem with the police for ensore waka na womu nkwachi womu na womu chi womu wi a yemma sankrofo yenku womu. Eni kwanse nkrofo ye beka se ye de omu ko to prison na se be taxpayers money ena ye de beba be fidi omo dabi e wo se ye ma ye ku omo eno ene nsem Kwame A+ wo de aba bonten. A lot of people are talking about this. A lot of people. Before I bring you the communique from the Registered Nurses Association in Ghana, no, let's go on Twitter and let's see what Ghanaians are actually saying on this. Now, quickly, no, me read the tweet ni bi amamo. Okay, so before that, Krano. Okay, so just a minute. Reading now. Okay, before that, my just a piece of communique one more release here. The Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association was saying the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association strongly condemns this dastardly and inhumane act and appeal to the Ghana Police Service to investigate this matter with the urgency it deserves and bring the perpetrators to book. That is the summary. But then the full communique no one say nkrata na mo de ba bonte no intro any susa. I'm really straining my eyes to read. But let me take it for you. See, the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association has received with shock and dismay the brutal killing of Miss Ruth Amma Eshien on 3rd February 2020. She was a registered community health nurse until her demise and was working at Sewa Health Center in the Bosomtwe district of the Ashanti region. I said the Ghana Registered and Nurse Association strongly condemns this dastardly and inhumane act and appeal to the Ghana Police Service to investigate this matter with the urgency it deserves and bring the perpetrators to book. We commiserate with her husband and children and the entire family in these trying times and entreat all families of the GRNMA to remain calm as we liaise with our Ashanti regional executives and the security agencies to bring justice to the family. We request our employers, the Ministry of Health, and its agencies to ensure the security and safety of nurses and midwives working in all parts of the country, especially hard to reach areas. Now, you know why a lot of people are speaking on this. You know why a lot of people are calling for justice. You see, Ruth Eshien, baby, I posting no ekoto se wonye adwuma ewo no. Sa Bosomtwe district no. Enye ho e na wote. Oyobi a wakọ nursing school ewie e na yede na akoto ekrasi di se wonko ho na wonko ye adwuma wo ho na esan se wo wodo ene tema ema nkrofo ni nti wogitumu ekọ ho. Ende eho e na wakọ asebe akwanhia we no wakọ akohia. So people are saying, say, if Ghana Police and not even Health Ministry, woman sorry, and making sure say woman womu di sa nyambra nsem we you go kun omo and sorry, omo mu di nyambra nsem we say ye chi omo a omo mu kun ababaawa no. Say ye chi omo a say Ghana Health Ministry anhwe ne yanche sa nkrofo we a. Say ye posting and nurses for upper rural areas a. Ubon say dodo na ebeka say enko. Now, see, you're posting and nurses for rural areas, no more so what happens? A lot of people in that area actually die. At your say, India and our mocha said justice for her. Will be say, just rape her and spare her life. Why are you guys taking her life? Fear and sadness has been aired in our hearts as we cry. And only as will be so air can be your nurse. Or say, mo dear, mona mose mo betu me mona, no problem. Mo atunu mu na ewia na nka munja ne no nkwe na mo atunu mu na ewia mu wie ye nso mo asanso eku no aden na mutimu oden sa obi say this world na ade is so unfair and bitter. People do these things and go scot free in this country. Where is the justice we've all been seeking? And also ne asema will be edeba will be also say our blood has come. I say our blood has come to wipe away the flood in our souls. We men of births mend the living and rejoice the dead. In this memory, there is deep darkness in our eyes. How do we tell future Mamines couldn't cross the night to rest in her house? Humanity. And also near Asema will be edeba with the hashtag justice for Ruth Eshien. Lydia Forsen also say, I am just reading about justice for Ruth Eshien. When will this end? This is even more evidence that no woman is exempt from this danger. And it is why we speak, why we are loud, and why many women live in fear because it can happen to anyone. This is very heartbreaking. And also, NSMA Lydia Forsen or de Atuja. Obinso say, I am Simran, Ghana Police, please don't fail us, please. Now, why people are actually calling on Ghana Police and say, Yenim, say Adiwe, a police ni and the tona. Now, just the next day, now police for ever perpetrators, no. Now, so shall time a day we see 3rd February, and that may yes a reportage a 9th, and that may a reportage a 9th. Naturally, say, I can one day, no do a week per. Now, so still, one more would this and Branson we know the police has no information on them. Now, so a police in your coyen and a carbon say IGP beba. So, me the 10,000 citizens, so more will provide information. They are quite or more we say no. So, why is it that young citizens now more share and so no health worker or no put the more police? Yes, mo boa nkrofo police for mo boa Ghana for mo gyen efiri oha mu health workers will be yare a wono na wo hwe nipa ko no esa na yare nti wono nso equal ni hu hia nti se wo to me at the 10,000 cedis anasi krato so say police ni bi yaye ni say nti no we will be provide information no say ya please health worker nso ye ne sa na hu ne say odwen Ghana fo nia ho na nya police pe na modwen omo ho police wo yesremo yesremo ade we die we be say all I will say is bring back the death penalty for cases like this. A woman loses her life because some stupid predators couldn't keep their flaps closed. Justice would only be served when the perpetrators also die. And also, there will be aircan. We also say you are all talking as if you don't know your effing shithole country. What did they do about Maxwell Mahama? What did they do about the death of Dankwa MP? If you think the president or any other institution is going to work out something, then it's a lie. And in as much as I would like to disagree with this particular statement, no, it is the truth. Womo kum Maxwell Mahama eden ene ede ayomo. Womo kum sitting MP kra eden ene ede ayomo. Ahmed Swale womo kum no eden ene ede ayomo. Inti wo bi there wase wo we can go as far back as Fenwick Ottery. Womo kum no eden ene ede ayomo. Inti wo bi there wo tenase hu no say yes, yenia ye ka but we no dey wonim dey be see because Ghana kunkuma edoson we be say nini na echi no yentumi nya hwe. Just last year MS Gapoha penyi ono so ye kun no eden ene ye dey aye omo a womo ekokun no. We be also say heard this story and I think we as a nation need to be proactive on some issues like this. Gang rape adabraka and also ni asema will be a cannot say mbema kentinka bebre. Now we don't know the number of guys who actually raped her, but that's the story going round. So she was gang raped and murdered after she was gang raped. We also say I have been hearing this sad news every blessed day in my truck car. I have to take this opportunity to let the police department know that it is time for them to do their future investigation to this matter. And this is very true. Ghana, we are not proactive one bit. We are always reactive. Ya train Emma BBC answer. And ya yen to me police phone to me international say nan say ekunkuma doso inti ye den e na ye na to say etwetwa. Eti ye train ye kum obi wi a ansa na ya ba bonten e den sem bia ba beto aden ye yesa. Mo try mo adwo comment box mo tie for me da say.